Hi guys, I showed you this 3D printed 3D helicopter puzzle, as they like to call them. And that's the one that I printed a little bit thin. I printed it 1mm thick, and although it all went together, I had to glue it to make it stay together. And I said I was going to print it a bit thicker, so I thought I'd just show you. This one I printed 1.8mm thick, and this one I printed 2mm thick. I'll take that one apart again and I'll demonstrate the difference. That one's borderline, that one's nice and tight. I'll do this as quickly as I can because I want to eat me jam donut. So this is the 1.8mm thick. So that's still got a bit of slop to it. So you need 3 hands to hold it all together. And glue, I would think. It's just that bit too loose. Yeah, you're going to have to put some glue on that to hold it together. Do I go all the way through? Let's see if we can do it. I doubt we'll get it together without it falling apart. You can probably tell I'm having to hold it together with one hand. Yeah, the back's just fallen off. Don't think we're going to manage it without glue. Now, I'll stop there because I don't want to spend any more time on it. I could easily put some glue on there and it will stay together. But that's just that little bit too thin so it doesn't grip in the slots. 1.8mm that was. This one's 2mm thick, which is what I've amended the file to on TinkerCad. So if you did go and download it, you would find it was 2mm thick. So that goes in there. And you see straight away that's holding itself. It's still not absolutely tight. There's still a bit of movement there. Okay, but that's now holding itself. Okay, how about these? Not sure if they're the right way round. Let's just swap them over, see if it makes any difference. Can't see I can notice any difference between those two. Okay. Okay, holding itself. Oh, forgot that bit. Okay, wheels. Just push that off again. Okay, and finally, that bit goes on the front. And there we go. So that's the difference between getting the tolerances right. That one's not quite home. That's better. Something slipped out. Oh no. So, could still glue it, but that's so much easier to put together when it actually holds itself together. So, there we go. Just move that over for the thumbnail. There we go. Another helicopter with tighter tolerances, much quicker to build. Because you haven't got a fuss with glue. Although I would still glue that. Because that's what I do. Thank you for watching. Now I'm going to eat my jam donut and drink my cup of tea. Thanks for watching. There's always more information down in the video description. And if you like this video, you might like this one up here. And you might like to have a look at my channel over here. See what else I do. Thank you for watching.